Hello, beautiful people. My name is DJ, and welcome to Tahanang Noypi. This is going to be our week 7. Before we start, though, if you remember if you watched our previous video, which is the week 6, right? I mentioned there that we focused on what I call this, the walling, the wirings, and the stairs. However, I forgot to, show you the stairs part. So, I'm going to show here on this video a few clips of the stairs, so we'll have an idea what happened on the week 6. And all right, please watch until the end of this video, so you will see what's the progress on this week 7. There's a lot happened on this single week only. What do I call this? Alright, I won't spoil anything. Just watch till the end of video. Then please like, share, subscribe, and you can click the notification bell so you will be notified for the next uploads. I think that's all, and you enjoy. Alright, so this is what happened from our week 6. We started on the interior walls and electrical setup. We used fiber cement for our interior wallings because it is pretty much durable compared to the wooden walls, and it is not that prone to molds. Especially that we will be using AC in our room/office. And then for our 7th week, we are able to proceed on our kitchen post, roofing, and floor fill-up. We also able to continue on our toilet and bath. If you notice this, there, we put plastic insulation in the lower side of our walls to serve as additional protection for our wood post and frame from rainwaters that will cause early rotting. Also, here are some of the clips that I missed to show you in our week 6 video on the stairs. And this is the status of the next day. This video was taken like in the afternoon where our workers are almost done with their shift. As you can see, the interior walls are almost completed and our kitchen flooring and walls are already finished too. I am not able to shoot like a day or two because we're dealing on other important stuff. That includes, the boxing of our teams as preparation on moving in. If you noticed on this part of the video, we're trying to complete this specific room, our bedroom/office, because we're planning to move in already, even though the entire house is still under construction. One of the reasons is we want
to allot more of our time to monitor the completion of the house. Um, this is the part where the interior design takes in. So this is the kitchen sink. I'm actually shocked when I checked it. There is no opening, which is a total opposite on my design. Kitchen sink's supposed to have a wide window so natural light will get in, and I want the entire sink area to be open wide, just like a native Bahay Kubo. But we're going to deal with that later. While we worked on the kitchen sink and the bathroom, some of us continue to work on the ceilings and the wirings. We're also going to put our ceiling fan this day, which I bought from Shopee. Actually, there are a bunch of stuff I did bought from Shopee. Most are light fixtures, and I will create a separate video for some of my unboxing. This is not a sponsored video though, but Shopee, backhand man. Oh, that kitchen part. My mom-in-law also saw that, so she immediately instructed to put one window at least. They don't recommend to open the entire front like what I wanted to, because in case there will be another storm surge, it will be a complete mess. So I decided to add another opening on that side to make sure that we will have enough light, natural light, and enough airflow. Now we will show you what has been completed for entire week 7. This is like the start of the this is like a start of the most interesting part of building a tiny house. I just remembered what the sales clerk from the hardware told us when we were buying electrical supplies. She said, "Welcome to the exciting part." We wondered first why she said that, but now we totally understand. This is the phase that you will need to make sure everything is in place. You will see the things that might need adjustment. Um, because if you're not able to do so on this very early stage, it will be very difficult to do the changes when everything is completed, right? Like for example, where to place the light fixtures, switches, outlets, faucet, and the showers, and those which will be placed inside your walls and flooring. You will need to check every step. We're now going to our loft bedrooms. Originally, these are not supposed to be closed rooms, but eventually we realized that the kids need their privacy, so we came up with this. We used phenolic board for the loft flooring and fiber cement as well for the interior walls and the ceiling. And that's all for our week 7. Please stand by for our next week video. Once again, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. You can click that notification bell so we can notify you for the next uploads. Thanks for watching.